In this video series, we walk you through the dashboards of our Demo BI application. This demo covers a wide range of dashboards on billings, revenues, sales, marketing, customers, and many more, based on a simulated company which is selling subscriptions. Have you ever thought about how a company keeps track of its sales every day, month, and year? Today, we'll explain how one special dashboard, called the Billings Month-to-Date, Year-to-Date Dashboard, helps businesses easily follow their daily, monthly, and yearly sales trends. Let's start by exploring the first tab, Billings Month-to-Date. This section provides an insightful snapshot of billings for the current month, beginning from the first day of the month up to yesterday. Billings represent invoiced amounts to customers sent out on the invoice date. Within this tab, you'll find Yesterday Billings. This table offers immediate visibility into billings generated yesterday. This layout provides a comprehensive view of the previous day's sales performance, allowing you to quickly analyze billing data based on specific products and regions. In the right section of the table, you'll find Billings MTD YoY represents the year-over-year comparison of the current month-to-date billings, giving you insights into the growth or decline in sales for the same period of the previous year. Billings MTD versus budget. This number indicates the variance between the current month-to-date billings and the budgeted amount, providing a clear understanding of how your sales performance aligns with the planned financial goals. These line charts provide a daily overview of billings for the current month, comparing them with the billings from the same period in the previous year and this year's budget. Because of the quick overview this dashboard provides, many of our customers subscribe to this dashboard and receive it into their inbox every morning. In the tables below, you can explore these comparisons based on various dimensions, such as region, customer category, product category, country code, allowing you to pinpoint the sources of any deviations. Additionally, users have the flexibility to refine their analysis using filters such as customer category, region, and country code, allowing for a tailored exploration of billings data based on specific criteria. Also, the color coding and the currency can be changed depending on the currency used by the customer. The Billings YTD tab operates on the same logic but focuses on the period from first day of the current year until yesterday, providing monthly numbers. It offers a seamless extension of the month-to-date insights, allowing for a comprehensive year-to-date overview of sales performance. If you want to keep track of these helpful KPIs, for example, yesterday's billings, you can set up an email report within the Billings MTD tab. By clicking on the three-point menu located in the top right corner, users can select the option Set up an email report. Here, you can assign a name to the report and provide an optional description. Additionally, you have the flexibility to schedule the report, deciding how frequently a screenshot of the dashboard will be sent to your email. You can choose how often a screenshot will be sent to your email address, ranging from every minute to every year, and specify the exact hour and minute. For example, we want to receive our MTD every morning at 8. Furthermore, you can select your preferred time zone, allowing you to align the report delivery with your local time. Once the configurations are set, simply click Add, enabling you to receive automated email reports tailored to your preferences, providing a convenient way to stay informed about your sales data. So there you have it, a comprehensive view of Billings Month-to-Date, Year-to-Date Dashboard for in-depth sales performance analysis. It allows you to scrutinize month-to-date and year-to-date data, explore trends across various dimensions, and receive timely insights through customizable email reports. If you're interested in exploring this and the other dashboards featured in this demo on your own, it's simple. Just visit freedemo.qmantic.com, where you can easily sign up for a free demo account. And if you find that a similar dashboard could benefit your own company, don't hesitate to get in touch with us at contact@qmantic.com.
If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand business tips.